Are you guys looking to be approved for some loans? I'm going to show you guys how you can get approved for $5,000, if not more. Some of these companies can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, so they can be able to tell you yes or no without giving you that hard inquiry. And then some of them don't even need to look at your credit at all. So I'm going to tell you guys how you guys can get approved for these companies, and I even have a bonus one at the end. I'm going to tell you guys the name of the company, the bureau that they pull, whether they pull a bureau or not, what the required credit score is, and then three tips that you guys should know about these companies. Okay, so let's start off with the first one, which is the Upstart account. Now, with this one is going to pull your TransUnion credit report. I do suggest that you guys have at least a 620 or plus credit score. It is going to be based on your income. It's great for newer credit, and they do offer same day deposit. So if you guys are looking to be able to get approved, I definitely suggest that you guys see if they can pre-qualify you, and it won't impact your credit score at all because it is a soft inquiry. The next one that I want to talk to you guys is about Levant. Now, this one also can be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. This one is going to pull your Experian credit report. They need at least a 580. So they'll need at least a 580 credit score to be able to approve you. They can approve you for 3,000 all the way up to, like, 300 all the way up to $3,000. They accept fair credit. They got next day funding, and they have no prepayment fees. So that is something that's really nice. So that is going to be up to 3,000 is going to be for the credit card, but you guys can be able to get up to $35,000 for the personal loan, which is going to help with medical bills, home projects, or any unexpected expenses. So a lot of times they ask you why you want the loan, and you guys will be able to just tell them, hey, I want to use a loan for this, and then hopefully they'll be able to approve you. But yeah, that is exactly what Avant would be able to do. They have the credit card, and then they also have the personal loan. So I want you guys to check to see if they can actually approve you for their accounts. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is SoFi. So this one is going to be a soft inquiry. They can approve you up to $10,000 for this one. So this one can be really nice for you all, up to $10,000. I do suggest that you guys have at least a 680 credit score for this one, though. And you guys can be able to check without a hard inquiry to your credit report, but they don't have a lot of extra fees. They have high loan limits, and then they also have fast funding. So they can be able to fund you guys as quickly as same day. Okay. Give him another one, okay? The next one is the Earning app. Now, with Earning, this one, they're not going to check your credit at all. As you can see right here, you can get up to $150 per day with a max of $750 per pay period. They don't charge any interest, no credit checks, no mandatory fees. And they said they have over 19 million downloads and counting, so you can access your cash. They're not going to check your credit at all, so we don't even care what bureau that they're going to pull, because it's no credit check at all. It's kind of like a cash advance model. It is going to be based on your income. And again, they have $150 daily limits, but this can still be a great one for a lot of people. The next one we're going to talk about is the Money Lion. They're going to be able to approve you up to $100,000. So you guys can check to see if they can approve you. They are going to pull your TransUnion credit report. So when I say they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report, make sure that your TransUnion credit report is put together all the way. They have instant deposit options. They have membership perks, and they also have a credit builder tool for those people that's looking to build their credit. Okay, so definitely check out Money Lion. My computer is kind of slow, but they definitely have a lot of different options for you all. The next one we're going to talk about is the Bridget. They're not going, this is more like the Earning app. They're not going to check your credit at all. So they don't care about your credit. You guys are going to be able to get up to $250 advance. They also have AI budgeting, and they don't charge any interest. So I definitely want you guys to check it. Again, you guys can get approved in a few minutes. It's no credit check and no late fees. So definitely check this out. This can be a great option for you guys also. The next one is the Possible Finance. With the Possible, please ignore my little man. A lot of people ask for this video, and I just want to be able to get it out. So with the Possible Finance, you guys could possibly have no credit check with this one, you guys can get up to $500 instantly, more payments up to $29 out of no rescheduling, and with no rescheduling fee, no late payment fees or penalty fees. You can build your credit history. I see a lot of people have this possible finance on a credit reports. I see it sometimes only reporting to one bureau, but this can be a great option. It reports to the bureaus, is weekly payments, and it's ideal for rebuilding your credit, because I did see that they did report to the credit bureau. So I do suggest that you guys definitely check this out as an option. Now, the next one we're going to talk about is the Chime Spot Me. So it's basically a Spot Me free overdraft. And you guys can overdraft up to $200 without any fees, which is really amazing. Julia, can you please go do something about him? You see, I'm making a video. Can you go do something about him? Thank you. So with this one, it's no credit check at all. They're not going to check the credit bureaus. You guys can get between $200 to $20 and $200 in overdraft cushions, no interest, and you guys must receive direct deposit to be able to do this one. The next one is going to be Opportune. This one is going to pull your Experian credit report. You guys can get anywhere from $300 to $10,000. This one can be a great one because they actually accept the I-10 numbers, which is if you don't have a social security number, they have biweekly payment, and then they also have Spanish support. So this can be great for those people that speak Spanish. If you guys want to be able to get money, it can be great for you guys. Again, 300 all the way up to $10,000. This can be a great option for a lot of people. Last but not least, I still have that bonus one that I'm going to go over. Last but not least, we have the One Main Financial. One Main Financial can actually pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, which is really great. They can approve you for $1,500 all the way up to $20,000. So you guys can know exactly what the rates is. When it come down to One Main Financial, though, they're going to want you to use your card as collateral. That's just what they do. So I want you guys to understand they are going to want to use your car as collateral. Funds can be as fast as 1 hour after the loan closing. So once you close your loan, they can give you your money up to 1 hour afterwards. So they have loan terms for 24 months to 60 months. They have different rates. Again, it's secured and unsecured loan offers, but a lot of times they want it to be secured. I know they're saying unsecured, but you got to have some really, really good credit for them to even think about making it unsecured for you all. And you guys can use the money for whatever you want to use the money for. You can check whatever offers they have for you. If you can see right here, they have the auto loan purchases, debt consolidation, emergency loans, auto refinance. I don't understand why you refinance your loans with them. I would suggest you guys go with your credit union, like Navy Federal or whatever credit union that you guys are using. They even have medical loans, and then they also have cash out refinance, home improvement, moving loans, wedding loans, auto repair loans, pool loans, basically whatever you want to be able to use that money for. Now, I told you I have an extra one for you, and that extra one that I have for you is that Albert. I've been seeing this a lot. So when it come down to the Albert, you can see that you got an instant cash advance, no credit check. You add your email to sign up and see if you can actually qualify for it. So you guys can be able to get money instantly. So this can be a great option if you guys are looking to get money instantly. I hope that this was very good for you guys, and I apologize for my little man in the background, but I know there's a lot of people asking about personal loans, and I wanted to get this video out. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.